Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Chinese dumplings hold a special place in global cuisine. They're more than just a dish, they're a symbol of tradition and celebration. From family gatherings to festive occasions, these versatile bites bring people together. You'll find an incredible range of dumplings across China, each with its own unique fillings and cooking styles. We'll explore their fascinating past, regional differences, and even how to make them at home. Get ready to discover the delicious world of Chinese dumplings. A rich history, tracing the origins of Chinese dumplings. Have you ever wondered about the rich past behind Chinese dumplings? Their story dates back centuries, entwined with ancient traditions and clever innovations. These small, flavorful parcels are more than just food. They are edible pieces of history, reflecting the ingenuity and cultural depth of China. Tracing back to ancient China, early forms and legends. The earliest forms of dumplings appeared in China a long time ago. Imagine a simple, hearty dish made with basic ingredients. These early versions were often used to stretch food supplies and provide warmth. One popular story credits Zhang Songjing, a respected physician from the Eastern Han Dynasty. Legend says he created a dish similar to jiaozi, dumplings, to help people suffering from frostbitten ears during harsh winters. He filled dough wrappers with medicinal herbs and mutton, then boiled and served them to his patients. People called these jiao, meaning tender ears, and they not only healed but also became a comforting meal. Evolution through dynasties, from simple sustenance to celebration staple. As centuries passed, dumplings became more complex and popular. Their evolution is a culinary journey through China's many dynasties. During the Tang dynasty, dumplings gained more recognition. They moved from being just survival food to a more refined dish enjoyed by a wider range of people. The Song dynasty saw a significant jump in their popularity. Chefs experimented with different fillings and cooking methods. This era brought about a variety of dumpling shapes and sizes, making them more versatile. By the time of the Ming and Qing dynasties, dumplings were firmly established. They became a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. This is when they truly cemented their place as a staple for Chinese New Year celebrations. Families would gather to make and eat dumplings, believing they brought wealth because their shape resembles ancient gold ingots and good luck for the coming year. This tradition continues strongly even today. Beyond the basics, popular types of Chinese dumplings. When we talk about Chinese dumplings, it is important to remember that dumpling is a very broad term. Think of it like sandwich in Western cuisine. Many different types exist, each with its own unique identity, fillings and cooking styles. Let's explore some of the most popular varieties you'll encounter. Jiaozi, the quintessential Chinese dumpling. Jiaozi are perhaps the most famous Chinese dumpling. They are often crescent-shaped and hold a special place in Chinese culture. Families commonly make them together, especially during the Chinese New Year. You'll find many popular fillings for jiaozi. These often include pork and cabbage, beef and onion, and shrimp and chives. Jiaozi can be prepared in several ways, giving them different textures. Boiled, shuijiao, is the most common method, resulting in soft, tender dumplings. Pan-fried versions have a crispy bottom and soft top. Steamed ones keep the dumplings moist and delicate. During Chinese New Year, eating jiaozi symbolizes wealth and good fortune because their shape resembles ancient gold ingots. Wontons, soupy delights with regional flair. Wontons are another beloved type of Chinese dumpling, distinct from jiaozi mainly by their thinner wrappers and different folding styles. They are almost always served in soup, making them a comforting and flavorful dish. Wonton wrappers are typically very thin and almost translucent. Common fillings include minced pork, shrimp, or a combination of both. Regional variations add to their appeal. For example, you might find Sichuan spicy wontons served in a fiery chili oil sauce or Cantonese shrimp wontons often found in noodle soups. Wontons are perfect for a light meal or as part of a larger dim sum spread. Xinjianbao and guoti, pan-fried perfection. For those who love a crispy texture, Xinjianbao and guoti are perfect choices. Both are pan-fried, but they offer uniquely different experiences. Xinjianbao are small, pan-fried buns usually filled with pork and a flavorful gelatin that melts into a savory broth when cooked. The bottom is crispy and golden, while the top remains soft and fluffy. Eating Xinjianbao requires care due to the hot soup inside. Guoti, commonly known as pot stickers, are a form of pan-fried jiaozi. Their name literally means pot stick, referring to their characteristic crispy, browned bottom. They are typically first steamed or boiled and then pan-fried to achieve this desirable texture. We've explored the origins and cultural significance of Chinese dumplings. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.